If you're looking for an easy way to get more nutrients into your day, a leafy green smoothie with berries might be just what you need. This type of smoothie is more than just a health trend. It's an easy and tasty way to give your body nutrients that actually matter. Leafy greens like spinach or kale are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. They also contain phytonutrients that help reduce inflammation. When you blend them with berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, you get even more benefits. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which support your immune system and brain function. The combination of greens and berries may also help with mood, memory, and focus. And with just half a banana, you get a touch of natural sweetness and creaminess without adding refined sugar. If you're trying to support your health, your energy, or even weight management, this kind of smoothie can be a great addition to your day. It's quick to make, easy to digest, and really refreshing. If you're interested in a smoothie-based weight loss program, you'll find more details in the description below. You can also check the source links provided to learn more about the health benefits mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.